Hey there, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate. Wanted to give you a virtual tour of Kitchen Crate Zinfadel Drive in Escalon. This is a fantastic project that really brings us back to our roots of a Kitchen Crate classic. And what do I mean by that? This is a very high-end facelift of existing cabinets, and I think you're really gonna love the way this turned out. So let's jump right into this project. First of all, let's take a look at the layout of this kitchen, which actually didn't change at all. It's an L-shaped kitchen with an island. This customer already had newer appliances and really good positioning of major items like appliances and sink and things like that. The first thing we did was refinish the cabinets, and in this case you can see we used a two-tone concept. The lowers are a Sherwin-Williams Summit Gray and semi-gloss, and the uppers are a complementary Sherwin-Williams Greek Villa in semi-gloss as well. And you can see how this really took those dated kind of 1990s cabinets and pulled them into the current design aesthetic. The countertops on this project are the LG Viatera Keras quartz, a marble simulated quartz. You get all the advantages of quartz in terms of durability and ease of maintenance with the rich look of a natural stone. Now as we pivot to the backsplash, you'll see what was probably the most popular backsplash tile of 2020, the Bedrosian's Chloe White. This is a soft, subtle white backsplash tile that has some nice shimmery movement to it and complements really well against the simulated marble quartz. Now let's take a look at the plumbing fixtures on this project. The sinks are both Blanco Sill Granite products, both in concrete gray. We have, of course, the larger kitchen sink, 1 3/4 bowl, and then a smaller food prep sink located in the island. The faucets in both locations are the Kohler Balera faucet in a polished chrome finish. Now, perhaps my favorite part of this remodel, the way we converted the dated kitchen desk area into a super functional beverage bar. You'll see a coffee prep station, some great glass upper cabinets above, and a super functional wine refrigerator below. So there you go, that's the virtual tour of Kitchen Crate Zinfadel Drive in Escalon. If you'd like to learn more about this project or even talk about a project of your own, give us a call at 888-995-7996 or log on to kbcrate.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.